Email automation for creators, the exact sequence you need to sell courses and memberships. So in this guide, we're going to show you all about this sort of stuff. So if you're building an online course, membership site, or coaching program, email automations is your hidden superpower. A well-crafted automation sequence nurtures your leads, builds trust, and sells your product, all on autopilot. Inside this guide, you'll learn what automation sequences you need, how each sequence works, templates you can copy, and how to build them inside your platform. Once your automation is set up, every new subscriber enters a predictable, repeatable sales journey. Okay, because it's evergreen. So it's so important to get this right. If you get this right and you nail it, and you might need to tweak it a few times, that's fine. But it means that it's going to work for you. It's going to be a beautiful sequence that your people come into, your audience comes into. It's going to warm them up. Really needs to be very from the heart. You know their problems that they're facing and you're addressing them. So step one, what is email automation and why it matters? Email automation equals emails that send automatically based on time, behavior, actions, tags, or a purchase. Why creators need it? Sell without repeating yourself. Build trust automatically. Increase those conversions and improve that retention. It saves you hours every week and runs evergreen. So it just runs, if it's within a course, whether it's in a marketing funnel, it's automatically going to send. Automations is the key to scale without burnout. Step 2, the 6 automation sequences every creator needs. Below are the core automations used by successful course creators and membership owners. Lead magnet delivery sequence, triggered when someone downloads a free resource. Email 1, delivery. Send the lead magnet plus tell them what's coming next. Email 2, value. Teach one actionable insight. Email 3, story. Build connection with your personal journey. Email 4, soft pitch. Introduce your offer gently. Email 5, social proof. Share testimonials or transformations. Now, email 5 might come with time, all right? So, nurture sequence. This is where relationships are formed. What to include? Educational content, behind the scenes, quick wins, mistakes to avoid, case studies or personal stories. A great nurture sequence warms people for your launch or promotion. Sales sequence used for course launches, membership promotions, and webinar follow-up. Structure, problem awareness, benefits and outcome, social proof, FAQs, bonuses, urgency, final reminder. Onboarding sequence. New customers need clarity. Onboarding emails should welcome them, show how to access content, share recommended first steps, introduce community, explain support options, and set the expectations. This increases retention and reduces refunds. So, Ascension sequence. Once someone buys, they are 10 to 20 times more likely to buy again. Ascension emails promote membership upgrades, premium tier, coaching programs, mini courses, bundles, and workshops. Always deliver value before making an offer. So now the win back sequence. Great for memberships. Sequence include, we notice you've been away. Helpful resources or quick wins, highlight new content, rejoin offer, and bonus incentive. Win back massively improves lifetime value and recycle. Step 3, trigger types you can use. Automating triggers. So when a tag is added, when a user signs up, when a user purchases a product, when a user cancels a membership, when users complete a lesson, when users join a funnel, when users fill a form. This makes your funnel flow extremely efficient and flexible. So hopefully your platform has got this in where you can trigger these behaviors, because Zenler has all of those inbuilt into it in the system. Step 4, build an automation. Go to marketing, add your automations, right? So go to marketing, automations, add automations. So in most systems, this will be similar. Okay, we're talking about Zenler now, but this will be similar. Choose your trigger example. Tag added, product purchased, form submitted. So this action, you add the action next. Action includes send email, apply a tag, remove a tag, give access, delay, or use filtering. Build your sequence by dragging and dropping. So you can drag and drop the sequence in the order, you can set them out, you set up your emails that are going out, and you create that sequence. You need to test those automations, so you need to check that everything's working as well. So test that as a student. Make sure tags are being added or removed, or the filters are working correctly in the system, if it's inside Zenler, of course. Step 5, how to write high converting emails. Use short paragraphs. Focus on one message per email. Give a quick win. Tell stories. Use examples. Use clear calls to action. Show the transformation. The tone should be simple, warm, human, and conversational. Automations should never feel robotic. Step 6, map your full creator automation system. Here is a powerful automation map you can build. Lead magnet to nurture, to webinar, to sales, to onboarding, to Ascension, to retention, to win back. Okay, that's the full thing going through. This creates a complete customer lifestyle, and it's all automated. Okay, so it's that life cycle that we're trying to do. And this doesn't need to be salesy, right? You're offering something of value. You're just telling someone, look, we haven't seen you, come back. You know, it's going to bring that life cycle back, motivate that user. Of course, we've talked about communities. Communities are a great way to keep retention, keep people going and motivated. That should be used in conjunction with automated sequences in any case, right? So email automation checklist, lead magnet sequence, nurture sequence, sales sequence, webinar reminders, webinar follow-ups, onboarding sequence, upsell and Ascension, win back sequence. All sequences should be tested. Everything connected to that funnel or that course. We have a full written guide that you can find in the description, because some of you guys like to read. You can grab the text and just distill it down in something like AI to make it really clear for you to be able to follow. So check the link in the description, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.